Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Ford Fiesta key battery. It's a simple task that you can easily do yourself, saving you a trip to the dealership. You'll only need a couple of common items: a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 coin cell battery. Make sure you have these ready, and let's get started on keeping your key fob working perfectly. Now let's open up your key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side or bottom edge of the casing. Take your small flathead screwdriver and gently insert its tip into this slot. With a slight, careful twist, the two halves of the fob should begin to separate. Be sure to use minimal force to avoid any damage to the plastic or the delicate internal electronics. With the key fob open, you'll see the small coin cell battery. Before you remove it, take a quick mental note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Then, use your screwdriver to gently lift and remove the old CR2032 battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and carefully place it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards. Make sure it sits snugly. Finally, it's time to put everything back together. Carefully align the two halves of your key fob casing. Gently press them together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Once reassembled, head over to your Ford Fiesta and test the key fob. Try locking and unlocking the doors and ensure all the buttons are responding correctly. Congratulations! You've successfully replaced your key battery.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.